Hi guys, welcome back to Messy and Beautiful. I'm Sarah Jane. Thanks for joining me today for another video. I've been a bit quiet because of Plannerfest. I have been very busy designing and making loads of products and just getting ready generally, basically. My day job has given me a beating recently as well, so it's all been a bit hectic, so I'm sorry for the slight delay. But I thought that I would share with you what I have been making and what's coming to the shop for Plannerfest. There's a few other bits and pieces that I haven't finished yet, but I'm just going to try and experiment really and try and turn this into a reel as well, so it'll be interesting if I can make that work. This is likely to be quite a short video. I say that with some hesitancy because we know how much I chat. But yeah, so let's get stuck in. This first box, there's only 2 boxes I need to show you, but this first box arrived yesterday and oh my goodness, I am so pleased with them. So pleased with them. Ta-da! So I have designed some new, excuse the glare, A6 notepads. This is going with an entire collection about strawberries and ice creams and yeah, just pink and beautiful. I'm just going to spin that to one side. I wasn't going to open any of these, but I am going to package them, so can get it open. There we go. So I've got a whole box of these that I will be selling at Plannerfest, and that is my first design. They're A6 in size. They're a nice soft smooth paper. I'm really pleased with them actually. They look really good. There's a little dragonfly up here. I'm in at a different angle, so it's hard for me to, because I can actually see what I'm doing for a change, which is really weird. And then there's a butterfly down here, and then of course I've got Pip in the corner just peeking over the top. Obviously the space to write is slightly smaller than A6, but I thought they made nice like little notepads, very pretty for the summer. So then the next box I've had for like 2 weeks, but I'm so excited, so unbelievably excited. So I am just going to swap over without trying to destroy my setup. So my next box is this one, which I am super excited to get into. I am going to get a pair of scissors because there's no way I'm ripping that tape. This is where I pick it up later and the bottom falls out the box because I've opened it at the top. But I didn't want to show all my address in that, so it was just easier for me to flip the box over. I'm well excited, unbelievably excited, and I really hope it's turned out okay. Ta-da! So I have designed some washi tape. Ta-da! Ta-da! Oh, I'm so like, I can't wait to unroll it. I'm really excited. So I have an absolute mountain. There's 4 designs that's coming to Plannerfest. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of each and show you it. Let's move that onto the floor and I'll sort that out later. So this is my first one, and I'm just going to undo each one, and maybe I'll bring the camera down so you can actually see. I can get into it. So my first one is these are 10 metre tapes. They don't come in plastic wrapping. I thought I'll try and reduce plastic because they come wrapped like this. So if I then wrap them in plastic, it's just more plastic. But that's my first one with all the clouds. And then my second one, these are kind of based on designs I already had in the shop. They're not my newer designs, but it's just designs I love, and I thought, you know what, I'm turning them into washi tape because it's amazing. So this is the next one. And I will unroll so you can see. Lilac in colour, pastel, greatness, all the stationery, all the things. Again, I'll put my camera down so you can see it too. Because naturally, I am keeping one for myself. Of each roll, at least one. There'll probably be some left over, but what I'll do, shove those in there. And then the next one, I'll tell you what, I'll do this one next. this one's slightly different, and it was much harder to design. And I did have a fourth design, but it was just too complicated to try and get it to work, because this is my first go at designing in a batch of washi tape instead of just sort of buying the odd roll for the advent calendar. So this is based on my chapter 2 release, which is the new release for when I reopened. So it's all books and tea and blankets and chocolate, basically. And it's got a nice purple stripe in the background. It's got Blossom in a blanket with her tea and her books. So that's the next one. These have turned out so well. I am so pleased. They are much better than I thought they were going to be. I really panicked about the print quality, really panicked. And then the last one is this one, which is my Lilac Dreams collection. And I know they're all a bit purple, but this one isn't a basic purple. This one is pink and purple stripe in the background. It's just really subtle. But I've got all the that sleepy time goodness. So that's the fourth one. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to flip positions and bring you down a bit closer, but bear with me. So I stupidly stuck them on diagonally, but we are nice and close now, and it's weird being able to see what I can do, which is really odd. But that's my Lilac Dreams one with the pink and the purple, and hopefully by sticking them to the desk you can see them a bit better. I am just going to move these out of the way. I'm so excited. These look so good. I've obviously got to put my branded stickers on them yet, but they're already made as well, so they won't take too long. But I'm really pleased actually, and you don't need that plastic wrapping around the outside. They're fully protected as they are. And if I'm putting them in the post, I might wrap them in tissue paper or something that could be recycled. Because I am just trying to reduce my... We as crafters are mighty messy, and we create a lot of waste. And I know stickers and washi aren't necessarily recyclable, but I don't recycle my stuff anyway, I keep it. That's my cloud one. I'm really gutted my last one didn't work, but it was a dotty background, and my goodness, trying to line up the dots, honestly, what a nightmare. And then this one, I would say is my latest release, but I'm about to have another one. So, some really cool stuff coming to Plannerfest. I've also got on the go, I'll show you a half finished product. I have been making little pip heads that I am going to put onto paper clips and turn them into a paper clip. So little sneak peek there for you as well. These are all handmade, hand painted, and they were really fun to make. So I might experiment a little bit more with that. And then what else? I've restocked my sticker boxes. I've got loads of vinyl die cuts and stuff, and then my new strawberry release that isn't made yet, but I'm hoping to get it made today. And if you want to see that, then maybe I'll try and do an Instagram reel about that as well. But there we go, that is my latest collection of washi tapes, and I hope you don't mind me sharing this stuff, because I know it's not really related to like my planner, like my actual planner, but this is one of my other things that I do, is have my shop. And I'm not going to turn this into like a promotional channel. There is a discount code down below if you wanted to go and check out Etsy or come and see me at Plannerfest. I'd love to say hello to you. Stationery Fest, I'm in the Stationery Fest hall. And yes, so I don't want to turn it into like a promotional thing for my shop. That's not what this channel is about, but it is nice to share what I've been doing with you all. So yeah, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and I'm really excited. I can't wait to go, but I really do have to get on because I've got 401,000 things left on my list that I want to get done. So thank you very much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see some more from me, hopefully with my actual planner involved, then hit the subscribe button down below. Take care everyone, bye.